Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First, we need to open the menu on our watch. To do it, press and hold the lower button. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Once the menu appears, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called the reset. Once you find it, tap on it, and then tap on delete data and reset settings. Now tap on the screen, tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the welcome message on the screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.